Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my office. Sorry if it gets noisy in here. I am starting a new print on my 3D printer, so can't avoid sometimes the noise. But I am here to check out this, the CW0523. This is going to be a mechanical pencil set for certain types of colors and things like that. So we're just going to check this out here. So let's see what we got. So that's the box, empty, and then this is what comes in it. So we can see we've got a red kind of pencil deal here, and then a black, I believe, kind of colorblind, so not exactly sure. And then we have the extra lead points and all in here, and then the colored ones right there. Very cool. So let's see how these work. So it looks like you just kind of push the button and it pushes it out. So there we go. I'll show you guys again so you can see it up close. Push the button, and there comes the point. And then we can write, and it writes pretty good. This is just on a paper towel. Let's see the red one, what color point that one has, I don't know. Oh, I think it's red, but it writes as well. You can see, there we go, the colors. And then so we have the different colors that it comes with. It looks like it comes with, I'm guessing these are red and yellow. You can tell me, I'm colorblind, but that's that. And then we have the regular charcoal, black, whatever color ones here. So it's kind of a cool little set. So you can kind of comes with the color coded devices here, so you can do them. Very good. It'll be nice for marking holes and just doing random stuff here around the office. So very cool. Use it for some of the construction stuff that I do too. It'll probably write really good on wood and things like that. So cool. I like it. So thumbs up for me. Be sure to check this out. This is by Hiboom. Out there. And these are nice. It comes with a little clip and everything. So I like it. Thumbs up from me. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and the link to pick these up is in the description. So very cool. So there we go.